Cooked mangoes. A dessert from Somalia. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Wash mangoes but do not peel. Slice down either side of the pit, thus cutting each mango into 3 pieces. Put all pieces into a saucepan. Step 2. Prepare coconut milk by grating coconut meat and then tying it in a piece of clean muslin cloth. Squeeze muslin bag over a bowl to extract more juice from the coconut. Repeat the dipping process until all juice has been extracted and the water in the second milk into a saucepan with the mangoes. Discard coconut pulp and simmer until mangoes are cooked, when skins are tender. Step 4. Add to the thick milk along with sugar, cinnamon and split coriander seeds. Cover with lid and simmer until sauce thickens. Cool. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.